Alrighty, so my garage right now, it's currently above 90 degrees Fahrenheit here. Yeah, I don't want to be out here anymore. Plus, I don't know if you can hear it, but my AC is running and I have these cicadas going crazy in the outside, and it's so much noise pollution. So I made this little option here for inside. So I will show you what I just did. All right, so I made this thing, which is a portable, I guess you can call it a portable whittling tray. Yeah, I got all my other stuff on my table here. Table's a mess. But I made it so I can freely whittle wherever the heck I want. It was pretty easy to make. It took me about 40 minutes to put together and cost me about 50 bucks at the most. But it's basically just the bottom here. I got this mat held on by magnets. The bottom is just basically a 20 by 3 foot piece of pine, and then I got 1 by 6s all the way across. I just made little walls so the wood chips don't go everywhere. The mat is easy to add and remove, so I can just take the stuff everywhere, but I had to make something so that I wouldn't die on that. Just like sweat my butt off while making stuff for y'all again. I'll show you what I did to make it. It's pretty easy to do. So first thing I did is I went to Lowe's and I grabbed a 30 by 3 foot piece of wood as the base. And then I grabbed two 5.5 by 6 foot pieces of lumber, and I chopped them up so that the backside fits on there first on the 3 foot, and then I compensated for the width of the back to add in the 20-inch part, which was, since this was like I think it was 3/4 of an inch thick. This one was just a hair over 19 inches. I think it was 19 and 3/16 inches long. I just randomly chopped off the corner there so it didn't have a sharp corner. It just makes it easier to hold on to. And then I glued and screwed it all together. And that was that. It was pretty dang easy. Like literally just chop and put it together. Pretty fun. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be doing some of this work on the inside during the summertime here. Cicadas are loud. It's hot in that garage. I've been sweating the last couple videos there, just sitting out there for 10 minutes. I got sweat dripping off of me. So I want to do it in air conditioning for a bit here. Also, Milo says hi. He's currently scratching up my flip-flops again. I mean, look at these. They will never be the same. Like, he has destroyed my flip-flops. Just thought you ought to know. Good job, boy. Keep it up. If you guys want, I can probably put like a written instruction in the description below. Just let me know what you guys think. All right, cool. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.